And we also have the anchor point tool, which is about adding specific curves, as you see, and applying different settings to the anchors that you have added to your shapes. So these are all controllable, and these are all connected, as Illustrator is an illustration software, and all of these objects not important, and no matter if they're created through the shape tool or the pen tool, all of them are the same things, and all of them are controllable with these tools that Illustrator provides us with. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.